Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter 6th, that is retirement of a partner. In this chapter we learn up to the date the meaning of retirement and what are the liabilities of a retiring partner before retirement and after retirement. So both type of liability we have learned till now, and there were some adjustments which we have required to do at the time of retirement of a partner. So, so there was a first adjustment, change in profit share ratio, in which we have to calculate the new profit share ratio after the retirement of a partner in between the existing partner and the gaining ratio of the existing partner. Those partner will continue the firm. So then what will be their gaining ratio after the retirement of a partner in between the remaining partners? Okay student, so up to the date or before the today's class we learned the new profit share ratio when a partner is retired from the firm. So then what are the situation and what are the cases under which we calculate the new profit share ratio? There were two cases under which we learned to calculate the new profit share ratio, but today we are going to discuss about the gaining ratio. So first of all, what is gaining ratio, and little bit we also learned about the gaining ratio in last class, and today we will complete this topic in today class. So there is a gaining ratio. First of all, what is gaining ratio, and then we will learn to calculate the gaining ratio in different situations. So student, first of all, what is gaining ratio? When a partner is retired from the firm, so retiring partner share will taken by the existing or the remaining partner. So in which ratio they are taking of the retiring partner share? Is it clear? जो पार्टनर फर्म से रिटायर्ड हुआ है उस पार्टनर का जो भी शेयर है उस शेयर को रिमेनिंग पार्टनर ने किस रेशियो में रिसीव किया है. इज इट क्लियर? सो वॉट एवर द शेयर is received by the remaining partner, so that will be a gaining ratio for remaining partner. ओके जब कोई भी पार्टनर रिटायर्ड हो जाएगा तो उसका शेयर जो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स हैं वो ले लेते हैं, और जब वो लेंगे तो इट मीन्स किस रेशियो में लेंगे. सो दैट विल बी द गेनिंग रेशियो ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर और द कंटिन्यूइंग पार्टनर. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो according to the definition, the gaining ratio is the ratio in which the gaining partners take the profit share of retiring partner. Okay, is that the ratio in which their profit share increases in the firm. इज इट क्लियर? जिस रेशियो से रिमेनिंग पार्टनर का शेयर इंक्रीज होता है, सो दैट इज द गेनिंग रेशियो ऑफ रिमेनिंग पार्टनर इनटू द फर्म. ओके, जो पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है उसके रिटायरमेंट होने पर जो रेशियो इंक्रीज हो रहा है रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स के अंडर, सो दैट इज द गेनिंग रेशियो. So now the calculation of gaining ratio under the different three situation, there are three situation under which we will learn to calculate the gaining ratio. So the heading is calculation of gaining ratio. So first of all, before write all the situation, so we should write the formula of gaining ratio. What is the formula of gaining ratio? So gaining ratio is equal to new ratio माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो. जो भी उनका न्यू रेशियो होगा उस न्यू रेशियो में से एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर के न्यू रेशियो से माइनस करेंगे ओल्ड रेशियो. और समटाइम्स वी हैव नीड टू कैलकुलेट द न्यू रेशियो आल्सो. So if we have to calculate the new ratio, then whatever the old ratio in between the old partner and plus gaining ratio of the remaining partner or the continuing partner. Is it clear? So this is the new profit share ratio of the existing partners. So now student, we having different situation under which we have to calculate the gaining ratio. So situation first, when information is not given or when agreement does not exist. Okay, when information is not given or when agreement does not exist. So there is no information related to the gaining, related to the new profit share ratio, and at that time and no agreement is also there between the remaining partner. So then how we calculate the new profit share ratio or the gaining ratio? So students, I have one problem, so related to that we will learn to calculate the new profit share ratio or the gaining ratio. Okay, so let's see the situation and then we will solve that. This is the information is given related to this situation. The information is when A, B and C were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. 3:1 के रेशियो में वो अपना प्रॉफिट शेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं तीनों पार्टनर ए बी सी. फाइंड द गेनिंग रेशियो व्हेन ए रिटायर्ड. जब ए रिटायर्ड होगा तो वहाँ पर गेनिंग रेशियो क्या होगा? नो इन्फॉर्मेशन इज देयर, नो new profit share ratio information is given. So in this situation the solution will be, so first of all what we have to require, we have required to write the old ratio first. So if the old ratio of A, B and C, that is 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6, this is the old profit share ratio, and A, B and C ratio are in 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Okay, now the A is retired, and when the partner is retired from the firm and no information is given, so at that time what is the ratio of remaining partner will left in the firm, so that will be the new profit share ratio of the remaining partner. So B and C will distribute in the 2 ratio 1. So it means B ratio C is equal to 2 ratio 1. So this will be the new profit share ratio. It means new ratio of B and C. B is equal to 2 upon 3 and C is equal to 1 upon 3. Any problem? Now we can calculate the gaining ratio of the remaining partner. So the gaining ratio is equal to, what is the formula? That is new ratio minus old ratio. Is it clear? So now the gaining ratio will calculate for B, because A is retired, so that's why A will not gain in the firm. He is going out from the firm, so that's why he will not get any ratio and he will not gain into the firm. So now the remaining partner is B and C. We have to calculate the ratio of B and C for gaining ratio. So B new ratio is 2 upon 3 and the old ratio, that is 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6. 6 will LCM and 3 2. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2, that is 2 upon 6. It is clear. And now for C, that is new ratio 1 upon 3 minus old one 1 upon 6. The 6 will LCM and 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon 6. So we can say the gaining ratio of B ratio C is equal to 2 ratio 1. This will be the gaining ratio of B and C. गेनिंग रेशियो भी 2 रेशियो 1 हुआ, न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो भी इसका ओके 2 रेशियो 1 ही होगा. सो P रेशियो C is equal to 2 रेशियो 1, that is a new profit share ratio. Okay, so if the information is not given, so then the new ratio and the gaining ratio will remain same for the existing partner only. Okay students, now we having the another situation. First situation already we have done, and situation second. Situation second, when new profit sharing ratio is given. This situation is more simple comparison to last one, comparison to first situation. Why? Because the new profit share ratio is also given of the remaining partner. So related to this, I have a question which I'm going to solve that, and you can understand more. So student, the situation is A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. B retires from the firm and A and C agree to share future profits future profits in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, and now calculate gaining ratio. Only we have to put the formula of gaining ratio in this situation. That's why it is easy comparison to the first situation. Okay students, so now situation second. What are the ratios are there? A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. It means this is the old profit share ratio of the old partners, those who are running the firm. So the firm is running by the A, B and C. So now the ratio is solution. This is old ratio already given. A is 1 upon 2, B 3 upon 10 and C that is 1 upon 5. The denominator is not same for all the partners, so first we need to do the denominator same after taking the LCM of the denominator of all the partners share 2, 10 and 5. The LCM of 2, 10 and 5. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja and 5 will remain same. Sorry, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja and next 5 1 ja for both the situations. So 2 into 5 that is 10. So the LCM will 10 for the three numbers, that is 2, 10 and 5. The LCM will 10. Okay, now the denominator of all the partners would be equal. So if the denominator of all the partner will remain same, so then both the numerator and the denominator we have to multiply the ratios. In 1/2 we should multiply 5 by 5. Okay, we should multiply 5 by 5 to make the denominator equal to 10. So that's why 5/10, this is the ratio for A, and multiply 1 by 1, that is 3/10, and 2 by 2, that is 2/10. So now the denominators are equal. So old ratio of A, B and C is equal to 5 ratio 3 ratio 2. Until the denominators are not equal of the partner, so then we will not write in this form. ओके, जब तक इनका डिनोमीटर इक्वल नहीं हो जाता तब तक हम इस फॉर्म में रेशियोज नहीं लिख सकते, हमें इसी फॉर्म में ही शो करना होगा. नाउ द न्यू रेशियो इज ऑल्सो गिवन. न्यू रेशियो दैट इज हु इज रिटायरिंग, B is retiring from the firm, B retiring, and the remaining share of A and C in 3:2. So A and C, that is 3/5 and 2/5. Now the gaining ratio is equal to, that is new ratio minus old ratio of the remaining partner. So A is remaining in the firm, the 3/5 new ratio, so 3/5 minus old ratio, that is equally 5/10. So 5/10 is old ratio. The LCM of 10 and 5, that is 10. 5 2 and 2 3 6 minus 5 is equal to 1/10. And towards C, the new ratio, that is 2/5 minus old ratio, that is 2/10, is equal to 10 LCM. 2 to the 4 minus 2 is equal to 2/10. So the gaining ratio of A and C, that is 1:2. So in this situation the gaining ratio and the new ratio will not be same. Okay, if the new profit share ratio is given, so at that time the new ratio and gaining ratio will not be same. We are not saying always it will not be same. Okay, it can be same also, ये सेम भी हो सकता है, but it's depend on the situation. So A/C, that is 3:2. This is the new ratio. So student, now we having a third situation under which we have to calculate the gaining ratio. So now let's see the third situation in which we have to solve the gaining ratio of the remaining partners. The third situation is situation third, when retiring partner's profit share is taken by the remaining or continuing partners in a specific ratio. What the situation is saying, when retiring partner's profit share is taken by the remaining or continuing partner in a specific ratio. जो पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है उस पार्टनर के रिटायर होने पर जो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का शेयर है उस शेयर को जब रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स एक स्पेसिफिक रेशियो में रिसीव करते हैं, सो देन what will be the situation and how we calculate the gaining ratio and the new profit share ratio. Let's see the situations and then we are going to solve that. Let's see, students. The situation, this situation is said, and related to this we having a problem or a question in which we have to solve the gaining ratio or the new profit share ratio of the remaining partner. So now A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. All profit share ratio है A, B, C का, and C retires from the firm, from the business. At that time A acquires 4/9 of C's share. C का शेयर कितना है, 2/9 होगा. ओके, टोटल करेंगे इसका 437 और 29, तो 2/9 हुआ सी का शेयर. 2/9 का 4/9 शेयर विल बी एक्वायर्ड बाय ए. ओके, 4/9 ऑफ सीज शेयर, सी का जितना शेयर है उसका 4/9 विल टेकन बाय द ए and the balance is acquired by B, and now we have need to calculate the balance share of B. अगर 4/9 शेयर A ले रहा है तो बाकी का कितना शेयर बचेगा, that is 5/9. Have you got it? Why 5/9? Because 2/9 इसका टोटल शेयर है और इस शेयर को अगर हम 1 के इक्वल रखते हैं तो इट मीन्स 1 में से 1 शेयर का 4/9 अगर A एक्वायर कर रहा है तो बाकी का शेयर जो बचेगा वो 5/9 ही बचेगा, और 5/9 मीन्स 2/9 का 5/9 acquired by B. Calculate new profit share ratio and the gaining ratio. Both the ratio we have need to calculate. First of all, we should write the old ratio or ratio which are given in the question. So now the A, B and C old ratio, that is 5/9, 3/9 and 2/9. This is the old profit share ratio of all partner. And now the gaining ratio will, who is retiring, C is retiring, so now only A and B will gain. So A के लिए कितना, C का शेयर कितना है, C का शेयर है 2/9. 2/9 को किस रेशियो में एक्वायर कर रहा है A, 4/9 में, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/9. एंड B कितना एक्वायर कर रहा है, B C का शेयर कितना है 2/9, सो 2/9 मल्टीप्लाई. अब ये कितना शेयर एक्वायर करेगा, अगर 4/9 यहाँ है तो बाकी जो रहेगा वो 5/9 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो इसके न्यूमरेटर और इसके न्यूमरेटर के इक्वल होना चाहिए. इन ऑल द सिचुएशन यू कैन सी द टोटल ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ वन पार्टनर. ओके, सो नाउ देयर विल बी द गेनिंग रेशियो ऑफ दिस. 4 2 जा 8 and 9 9 जा 81, and then 5 2 जा 10 and then 9 9 जा 81. This is the gaining ratio A ratio B is equal to 8 ratio 10, or if we divide by 2, 4 ratio 5. It is the gaining ratio of the remaining partner. Now new ratio we have to calculate. So the new ratio is equal to what is the old ratio, and then plus gaining ratio. Okay, toward A, old ratio, that is 4/9, and plus gaining ratio, that is 8/81. 8/81. So the denominator 81, 9 4 ja 36, plus 8, that is 44/81. And B, the old ratio, 3/9, and plus the gaining ratio 10/81 इज इक्वल टू, हम यहाँ पर इस रेशियो को प्लस नहीं करेंगे, ये वाला रेशियो प्लस करेंगे, ये गेनिंग रेशियो है. ओके, सो देन 81, 9 3 27, and plus 10, that is 37/81. So A ratio B, the new ratio, is equal to 44/37. Okay students, there are three situations under which we calculate gaining and new profit share ratio of the remaining partners. Okay, related to these three situations I send some more questions and you have to solve that. In next class we will do the adjustment related to the valuation and the treatment of goodwill. Okay, so thank you students for today. Thank you.